Wow, Ellie's a big girl.
All the way down.
You're balancing?
Now push on that one. There you go. Now push on this one. Yeah, that's how you do it. And you keep switching left and right. Left and right.
Wow.
You need help too? Okay, the scooter, you put a foot down right here. And you bend the knee. And you put it in front of you. And you push. And you push. And you push and you jump on it.
Whoa.
More.
Okay, I'll just bring you up here and then you can roll down. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
Whoa. She can steer with that, right?
Yeah, she wants to. Okay, if you turn it this way, you're going to go right. If you turn it this way, you're going to go left. Okay? Okay, so look. You can turn, right? You ready? I'm going to push you.
Whoa.
Well, unstable, huh?
She biffed it.
Okay? Oh.